Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create text behind person video editing using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, we need to create text video. I'm going to create new project and I'm going to select blank background. Okay, and then we can type in the text we want to add to our project. I'm just going to type in welcome. Okay, I'm going to put this text behind person. Okay, then we can adjust the duration. You can extend the blank background according to your video duration. Right, I'm going to make the text align with my video as well. Click on the check mark. Okay, and I'm going to click on export. And after that, we're going to create new project. Click on create new and then import your video to the InShot project, and then we can go to the PIP and import the video we have just saved. Import your text video. Click on this autofill button to fit the screen, and we're going to blend the video. Select lighten. Okay, and then you can adjust the size of the text like this. Alright, and then we're going to go to the PIP. Go to PIP again, and you can import your video. Click on this autofill button to fit the screen, and we're going to remove the background. Go to cutout, select cutout. Okay, and then I'm going to make this text appear one by one using the keyframe and mask. Right guys, I'm just going to go to the mask. Select the horizontal mask and rotate the mask like this. Okay, then we can adjust it one by one with the keyframe. Okay, click on the keyframe like this. Go to the mask. Okay, then we can reveal the text one by one. Go to mask. And then to make it smoother, I'm going to apply animation. I'm just going to apply fade animation. Okay, and this is the final result. And I know guys that the result is not that smooth, but this is just for an example, so you can try it by yourself. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create text behind person video editing using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.